Y'all got me some McDonald's. I got a burger, nuggets, and I got this. And I got fries. Yeah, I'm finna enjoy this. Y'all could join in too.
She asked you to wait for me. Good problem. It sounded like a threat. Love can be pretty terrifying.
It's really good.
A saint wanted to help Corey. She wouldn't possess him. She wouldn't take away his free will. You telling the saints what they can and can't? Father, I invited you to resolve the situation, not to aggravate it. Would you rather it was a demon? No, we have a procedure for dealing with the saints as well. We listen and we learn. Mother doesn't visit him. You won't get anything else from that. You won't talk to clergy. Well, she sounds interesting.
Actually, I'm exceeding effortless. Really love the guy, stressed about it. It helps make room in my head for everything else I got going on.
Oh, and one more thing. I got a scroll. And I got a tea. Because someone like me don't usually drink sodas. That's just... Y'all know how y'all drink sodas, right? And once you drink, they got sugar in it, and that just brings too much sweet in your face. Trust me.
Thank you.
It's very important just to clean your face good.
We're looking after a homeless man.
Grab a soap, scrub your face.
You arrived covered in blood just after 2 people were murdered here.
The perpetrator of that crime is behind bars.
Is there anything
And you be
about
good.
this particular individual, or do we serve the
But
entire homeless population?
do that with the rag.
Kitchen would like to know.
Michael is vulnerable as soon as I'm satisfied that he's fully recovered.
I think he likes it here. I don't think he's in any hurry.
Y'all want me to do some voices while I'm eating? Okay. You gotta pick a character. Sonnet? Okay. If you leave your game, stay safe. Wherever you do, don't die. Because if you die inside your own game, you wouldn't generate. Never. Game over. Hey Tails, what's going on? Knuckles, I don't got time for this. Come and get some, egghead. Yeah! Avengers No Fun will be too easy. Now there's 2 of me. Ugh. Tails, we need to find out what's wrong with this guy. Hope you stop by the bank, cause you gonna pay for that one. When we join forces, the sky is the limit. Supersonic style. Thank you. That was a good voice, ain't it? Okay, who's the next character? Any ideas? Shadow? Alright, I could do him. Remember, I only do these characters when they say on the film in the movie. Okay, or the games. Either way, it's gonna be good. Y'all gonna be like, ain't no way he sell like Shadow and Sonic. Okay, Shadow. Faker? No, you the fake hedgehog around here. You compare yourself to me? You're not good enough to be my fake. They gonna repay what they done to Maria. I'm the ultimate life form. Chaos control. Chaos spear. What did you do? You literally shattered the world. Home doesn't exist anymore. Because of you. What part home doesn't exist anymore? You did not understanding. What do you think I'm trying to tell you? When you broke our past prism, you broke our reality. Green Hills are gone. They doesn't exist anymore.
Sex with a virgin cleanses the body of illness. Was it her you were trying to rape?
Okay, now we're gonna do the movie Shadow, what he said on the film. Here we go.
Surprised if there have been other demands.
Why are you alone? Where are your friends? They trying to stop you, but you came anyway. What kind of hero would abandon his friends, abandon his family, and especially the one, what's his name?
Very sad.
Tom?
It's reassuring.
Do it! I'm right here!
No, you're in the country.
What are you doing? You won!
Is
Take your revenge!
Is he?
Did your pain always go away?
it's not an exorcism. He's investigating a miracle that's within his remit.
Saints behaving like demons, possessing
Next one.
Which remit would that be?
He didn't pursue this. The prison chaplain approved.
You jump out of the gun helicopter. There's nothing to talk about.
Headlines will
Weakling. I don't look like you. You look like me. Why do you look like me?
misunderstood maverick fighting Vatican bureaucracy.
He hasn't mentioned the Vatican.
I'm not denying his charisma, sister. Exorcists are full of it.
Let me know what something else is missing in the film.
His path, however, attracts the deluded, the disturbed, and the dangerous.
Details? Sure. Give me a minute.
Missing out, they say. Well, now we're all so.
Wow. Let's just say it's nice to meet you, Sonic. It's okay I call you Sonic. Everybody calls me Tails, and you're probably wondering why.
You're no longer here to
I should know you would get that.
I want you to gather evidence. Documents, emails, conversation.
Evidence for what?
His
Ages
theories are
ago,
fantasy.
when a fused a warrior, when a prison with Chaos Emeralds. I guess the murder of the Kenda and I was a fighting just in the centuries.
You heard her? She sounded like a child.
Who's your favorite character so far once I get done with Tails? Let me know.
No. He's onto something. All of Cora's victims were virgins. Shouldn't we be talking about how to get rid of her? But she is the same.
Sonic, I know that look. Going after him won't solve.
Okay. Well, what about suspects? How many saints are there? 10,000 plus? Right.
Oh, I remember what Shadow says with Sonic. The more you talk, the more I might hit you.
No documented cases of Satan.
That's what he said when he was driving his his dirt bike. And he used to hold that weapon of his. That's strange. Since when does Shadow have a weapon? That got me shocking too. Who's next?
Riagoretti's assailant, Alessandro Serenelli, was also 20. Both of them gave their victims the same choice, lose your virginity or die. Serenelli repented.
Sonic, am I a burden to you? Promise. Pinky promise. Gotcha.
Corey,
I do my best. I do my best.